Good morning, chat. How are we? Whew, it's nippy today. Morning, chat. Morning. Let's put some tunes on. Another day for some carving. We will be streaming World of Warcraft tonight. We have a ZG run to try and get Zorli and Tiger tonight. But before that, let's do some work. What's up, everybody? Let me just chuck some tunes on right quick. Is this on? Cheer, brother Ryan. What's up, Alex Smith? Yeah, this is one of the strays that cruises around. Hey, cheer, brother Luke. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I could steal, but I'm gonna go get my jacket. I do not want to get sick. I really can't afford to. I got kids to look after and I got work outside to do. I'll be back soon. 1 minute. She is cold today, Fanta. Goddamn. Did you see the All Blacks game? The one against Tonga? Yeah, I saw that one. How you doing today, Scribble? Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Flux Nation, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. And cheer, brother Sturdy. Good to see you, my bro. Yeah, pretty cold here. I thought it was going to be alright, but nah. Rocking the limit hoodie today because Race to World First starts today. Cheer, brother Ziggy. Oh. Morning, JT. Morning, brother. Hey, what's up, Miss Shady? God damn. Yo, brother Luke, oh my goodness. Yo, brother Luke, and see you too, brother Charizard. Thank you for the 14 months, my brother. God damn. How's BC treating you, my bro? And a big thank you to Luke as well for the 1,069 bits. 69. Thank you very much, brother. Vegetable Well, Renee Armus, AMG Infect, and Maddie Holland and Congress of Crows. Congratulations on receiving a gifted sub from the brother Canned Heat. Thank you very much, my brother. And also, I see you as well, Turno Tham. Thank you very much for the 14 banger as well, my bro. God damn. Much appreciated, brother. Oh, brothers, I should say. And also, Ubercore for the 4 months as well, my brother. Yeah, man, it's cold today. Cold today. Cold undies, cold socks. Broxh gives me morning wood. Cheer, brother. Alright. How are we, chat? So you know how it goes down first. We drink our coffee first to get warm, and then we'll start carving. Hashtag Broxh gives me morning wood in the chat if you like chat. I do not mind. I will giveth the morning wood as long as I stream on Twitch. For as long as I stream on Twitch, I should say. It's super hot here, I'm sunburnt. Damn, stay inside and play some games and slap some aloe vera on their back, my dude. Sync to 5, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Hashtag Broxh gives me morning wood in the chat, Fanta. Do we have to get an emote like that? Well, if we do get it, you I don't know if you guys have seen that program. You remember that guy off Transformers, the one that eats all the donuts, and he's on that other program, and he's hiding behind the door, like putting his hand down the door. We should get there, but me with timber. Hey, what's up, Fanta? Chur Pope, chur my bro. Have a mean start to the day, my G. Chur my bro, you too, brother. Early start today. Yeah, I wanted to start early. Really wanted to start early today, just so we can get the ball rolling on our piece. I was supposed to do a few things this morning, but I decided to put the stream first. They can wait. Yeah. You got snow this time of year? Not so much here, brother. More that way, like an hour's drive that way. There's like two mountains. Oh, JT, no, I can't get until next Friday. So, yeah, they're fully booked up. So, we'll have to take the old Whitebeard in for the for his fitness test next week. Yeah, got my grandfather's Triton that he gave to me. Oh, come on, Broxh. Soon you got shooters in Ireland. Love the stream. Hey, what's up, Radical? Okay, I'm starting to get warm now. You know I could do with a good scone. A good scone. Or scone, as some people would say. Thank you, brother Warbear, for the 100 bits too, my brother. Sorry I took so long to see that. Oh, goddamn. Yeah, it's winter for us right now, so we're slowly starting to get into mid-winter now, which is usually the time when it's bloody cold. Scone with jam and cream, Miss Shady knows. See, Miss Shady knows. Oh. Or Leamington. Get yourself some KFC, warms the soul. Ooh, hot and spicy. I do like spicy food, but you know when nature does its course and eventually it has to make its way out of the body, it still feels hot on the exit. Jeez, I really want a KFC stream, eh? Is now all I want. Bro, scones are good. There's a cat on the roof. Oh, there it is. Exit hole. Hard. It's always crack up at those gifs, you know how it's got lava running off the island. I was like, I can relate to that. I was supposed to be eating properly, now you're making me want hot and spicy. I feel ya. Juice holder. Exit stage left. Yeah, I can't get hot and spicy out of my head now, thanks to you guys. One moment. Scared the life out of me. Yeah, there's like two strays that always walk around and they always have cat fights at around 3 AM in the bloody morning, so I wish I had a water gun. Veganus, thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Also, I'm trying to work around putting the sub count number on the screen just so you can see. Yeah, no, I can't stop thinking about hot and spicy now. God damn it. Mrs. Broxh said sushi for lunch too. Broxh says it's Tuesday, shouldn't you be in World of Warcraft? Yes. Nah, but I'll be watching Race the World first. I'll just probably keep myself updated here and there. Yeah. Actually feel like a steak and cheese pie right now. Ooh, steak and cheese. Murray Frost, so we just hit 2,000 last night. And also Sexiest Goose, thank you very much for the bit, man. So we're almost done and then we can start. Shooting the kids with... Oh bro, that's what my grandfather used to do, because he had like 2 cats that annoyed the shit out of him. And I'm like, why do you have cats then? So every time he'd eat at the dinner table, because they'd try and walk in, he'd have this water gun and I was like, that's rude. Thank you, Murray. Okay, I better hurry up, eh? Okay. So we are back on this guy today. So to anyone that's new, this is what we call a Tekoteko, which is a 3-dimensional figure. Now we are still on the moulding stage, so cleanups, and as you can see we started the other side yesterday. Now why does that look weird? Because it's high. Okay. So yeah, this is what we started yesterday, which is the other side. Now what we're gonna do today, so there's little adjustments on the head that we can do later, but for now we're going to focus on this arm again. So we're going to come back to the arm, and then we'll try and start adjusting the legs from what I can see. Yeah, that's him there. Yeah, let's go. Oops, someone messaged me. Go that way. Oh, thanks guys. Reva with the dono. Oh, bloody hell. That's a lot of progress. Yeah, brother. Just taking my time too. Nothing too crazy. And let's see what Reva did. Oh god, here we go. Bloody hell, brother. Thank you very much for the $50, my bro. Don't tell me that's KFC fund. And then I have to do a KFC stream. Yo, thank you very much for the $50, my bro. Far out, brother. You're too nice. Thank you, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Straight up. Holy cow. Yeah, I've done a KFC munching stream before. Oh, good juice holder. Alright. Let's put him down a little bit. Only nice when I'm sober or awake. Whatever, my bro, I had KFC. Bloody, he's a naughty influence, is he? Yeah. I just remembered hot and spicy is back. Did you save me a chicken wing? Hot dogs and bologna. Chicken and macaroni. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Oh man, I can't stop thinking about it now. Oh, he's a naughty. Naughty, naughty. Alright. Hey, what's up, brother Tommy? Oh, cheer, brother. Yeah, all good. Oh, your son's on Twitch too. Yo, shout out to your son, brother. That's good to hear, my bro. Oh gee, I want KFC so bad now. Thanks, chat. Peer pressure, I blame society. And you know what sucks? Every time you drive past when you drive past KFC and then you get that sweet aroma in your nose and you know you want to pull in, but the line is out till the road, so you carry on around the block and then you just go back in line anyway. King Julian impression. Now what would he say? They are a bunch of bunsies. I like to move it, move it. Oh, I don't even know what he says, eh? I wasn't really a big Madagascar fan until Moto turned up. The pump out their exhaust. Hey, George. Hey, big love to you in Spain, brother. I got a new car. It's got a gecko on it. Is that what he says? Moto was where it's at for me. You know you're doing something wrong in life when you know a hippo that's not even real is much smoother than you are. No, Tomo, it's alright, it's alright. What do you do now? What do you do well? Quest. Do dungeons to get gear and level up. Not steroids, I'm talking about gear that helps you, that you put on. Just to clarify. Yeah, we got a ZG run tonight and I'm gonna try my hand at getting a Zulian Tiger. That Moto doing, I'll blast that too. Bro, I've already done it, eh? I think it was back when I was in high school. I had my uncle's car and I had my shades on and there were all these girls walking through town and I played that song on full blast. Like I turned the speakers up and I played Moto's theme song while these girls were walking through town. The good times as a kid. Or a young guy anyway. Cheer my boat. Back on the water blast, eh? Okay. Let's get this leg clean. I still do it now. I mean, if I could play that thing right now, I would play it. I might have to change our sub alert to oh, we were supposed to get a Moto emote a long time ago, eh? Yeah, I know who Jimmy Jackson is. Listening to Broxh blasting Moto's song. Murder with their goat mindset, eh? Hi Broxh, hope you're having a great day. What's up, Stash the stream? I hope I said that right, brother. Thank you very much for being here, my bro. How many horror films, movies have you watched? To be honest, not that much, eh? I know for a fact that I've watched more Disney movies than horror movies. Sounds like a plan for next anniversary. Okay, I've just got to turn the front on just so I can see what I'm working with. So, since I had to drop so much down on this side, I have to do the same on the other shoulder. So it's a little bit of adjusting here and there, as you may see, but the sun might be cooking the vision. Local. I get all my timber local. Hello, Eligo and Chuck D29. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Hello to Matthias, Simlo. How are you? I'm good, brother. I'm all good. Just a bit cold, but hey, little change as we go along. Yeah, so because of that chip in the other shoulder, I've had to drop that shoulder down quite a bit. So that means we have to drop this one down. The morning sun is nice lighting. Yeah, always, eh? Always, brother. Looking good, man. Cheer, Mandalore. Minus the move in stream. Stream. Oh, right. Okay. See, this is quite a big shoulder on this side. Yo, thank you, Big Archer, for the bits, brother. Much love, man. Much love, my brother. Okay, I think we've got the depth. Easy. Oh, thank you, Kanuna. As long as everyone enjoys it, man, all good. Alright, that's done. This needs to be dropped down this side here. So I'm just making sure we keep an eye on both sides. Yo, Broxh, you keeping up with the world first race? Zaros, yeah, I was watching Limit for a bit before I started. And then I obviously had to come out and do my own thing. Probably towards the end of the stream I'll put Max's stream on in the background. Hey, what's up, brother Techless? It's Cradler. Thank you for the 2 months, my brother. Yeah, hostess idol. Yeah, brother. I don't really try and import anything because it'll take too long. And most of the timber I carve is pretty much native to NZ anyway. I thought you knew work. It's super calming. Oh, thanks, brother Juice Holder. You have a good day too, Enrique. I hope I said that right, brother. Much love there, Tuscany Chrysler. How's TBC treating you? Don't think I've caught a stream of it. Oh, I haven't streamed it in a while. I might do it tonight because we got a ZG run. A chance to get one of my favourite mounts. Oops, sorry. Just popped the camera. Yeah, we got a Zolian Tiger run today in the Raptor as well. And then I may just go back to leveling straight after. I'm only 61 though. I've been finding it hard to level. You have a nice day too, Simon. Alright, I need to go find some timber this weekend for this project next week. It's just for the week. Hopefully I can find some. Yeah, I've been following the quest lines. It's just quest or kill, eat. Kill, eat. And I can't really get into dungeons. Seems like no one wants plate DPS. Silent Turtles, thank you for the 100 bits, my brother. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I got camped pretty hard last night after stream. I played it for about an hour. Oh, not to hit on anything. Oh, I'm just waiting for them to find the funding, pretty much, brother. I gave them the pricings of everything. Just waiting for them, really. I don't know, I was thinking maybe we'll start 2 of them. Just to be ahead, just in case they do find the funding. Oh, no, not. I'm not really well known in the game, so I usually only get to queue up with mates that are keen to take me through some runs, because they're pretty much full BIS till the next phase. The bro's so the bro Faded, he's a mod here. He's probably asleep at the moment. He's pretty much full BIS for his shaman. And the other bro Junie, he plays Pelly, he's full as well. Full BIS in all slots. And then who else? Oh, there's another one too. I can't remember. I've also been leveling my Pelly off stream. Okay. Just cleaning up these legs. Jake Dominic Kurbensky, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Damn, it took me a while to get that name. Thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Which reminds me, I need to give that Odin another stain. Seems like my brushes have gone missing, so I've got to go get some more. I've got some on the side, but they're not really the ones I want to use. What does Kia ora whanau mean? Erogath, so Kia ora means hello. It also means thank you, depending on the situation, and whanau means family. Yeah, just what Ziggy said there. Yeah, his name is hard. I hope I got it though. Thank you, Wifter. You have a good day too, brother. What are you making at the moment? Oh, we'll get a sauce. I'm doing a Tekoteko, brother. So it's a traditional Māori wood carving, brother. So these are our 3-dimensional figures that we do. We the Māori people, I should say. There you go. Can we see your hair, mate? There? Sorry, just thinking of changing the music.
So you gonna be taken, babe.
Alright. Let's just round this out properly and then we can carry on. See all around the world, they be singing along. Whatever you make your fantasy. You're invisible. Hey man, hope you're having a good day. Yo, Faith Stalker, you too, brother. Aren't all your carvings 2-dimensional? Nope, not all of them. Not all of them, brother. Energy. It won't hold. Get it too low. Dance, you reckon? Hey Panda, I've been a DJ music lady because of the stream. Oh, nice, Reaver. It's Griever. Hello, brother. MJ Casper, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Sorry about that. Sorry, brother. Thank you very much, my man. Now I'm needing a skew. Sweet water. What's for lunch today, Fanta? I swear this grain keeps changing, eh? Stream elements not subbed. Yeah, I started at the age of 12, Josh. Sorry, brother. Eating some hot and spicy. Ooh, here comes the hot and spicy talk again. Posticidal, but I take commissions, brother. I'm not taking any at the moment, but I usually announce when I am. Dono from Theo. Let me check so I can say thank you. Hey, Baba. Hey, you got the hat on. Thank you for the $1, brother Theo. Do you want to show everyone your cool hat? So I'll show you. And are you warm?
Yeah.
Where's your sister? What's this?
Sleep.
Oh, having a sleep. Okay. So if you, here comes trouble. Can we spam some Sallys in the chat, please, Whanau? So yesterday I got a
Sally.
yeah. Yesterday I got Twitch ANZ pack for winter. There was a beanie in there, and I couldn't fit it. Look who owns it now. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
It fits her perfectly. I'm like, damn it. Hey, you wanna go by Mama? Who's that on the screen?
I don't know.
There's Sally.
Sally.
Go, hi Uncle Fanta.
Wow.
Go, Chur Fanta.
Go for the winter.
Koro Fanta. Go, Koro
Koro.
Fanta.
Winter.
Yeah. Go, kia ora Ryan.
Children Ryan.
What about Bob the Build-Ups?
Hi, Papa
What about Reva?
Hi, Mira.
You and your Mumbalina. Okay, do you want to go to Mum?
Yeah. Do the washing.
Okay, go and hang the washing up. Oh, you're such a good girl. Yeah. Thank you once again, Theo. Sub for life now. Cajun, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You've melted my heart a bit. What did you say? Yep, those are my aunties. Leave them alone. They look like a flag, eh? Say it out loud, why don't you? Pardon? Bucket. You're stealing my stream again, bro. She's got the clothes basket on her head. Living her best life. That was too adorable. Kei te aha koe. Oh, don't start that, please. Too early for that damn horn. Raise the jolly whitey tidies, young one. I don't wear tidy whities, I wear tradies. Hey, careful. Cheer, my beanie looks good on you, eh? Okay. Now it's too cold to ride the scooter. How about we do it later? We'll go for a ride later? No? Okay, sorry. Bro, you're supposed to go on the footpath, not the wall.
This is the way.
Are you sure?
No.
Well. Are you sure? No. Yes. Yeah. Oh, thank you. She's an upstage master. She most definitely is. Hey, go and take someone else's thunder. It's too cold to ride your scooter. Hey, I'm trying to carve, not dead. That's later. Hey, go inside. Do I have to take you inside? Go inside here, it's cold. You can't be out here with Crocs and no socks on. Careful, brother. Watch out for your head. Jeez, watch where you're going. What? Go over there. Go. I don't know what you're saying, Mambalina. Oh, blah, 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 blah. I don't speak Murloc.
No.
Can you go inside? I'm not trying to stream arguing. I'll bring her in.
Bye, Papa.
I'll bring her in. Come here. I'll take you inside. Okay, time to go inside. Good. Thank you, Jim English. Good. Thank you, Jim, for the raid. Okay, Kaki te Fanta. Kaki te Ryan. Kaki te Ziggy. Ziggy. Okay, bye, chat.
What's that?
Love you.
Luffy.
Okay, Papa.
Papa.
Almighty.
Almighty.
Overlord.
Overlord.
That's my girl.
May I take you inside? Papa, you take you inside?
Leg. Good listens to see. Okay, she's gone. Little egg. Yo, sorry. Jim English, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Sorry about that. I had my little mate stealing my thunder there. But thank you very much for the raid, brother. Hope you had a good stream. Cheer, brother Jim. Just seeing if I seen you in the chat right now. Hey, what's up, Binley? I'm good, brother. Yeah, I've always wanted to be a dad. And thanks to Mrs. Broxh, she made me a father, and can't thank her enough. Oh, there he is. There, cheer, brother. Just hanging, man, sending love. Thank you very much, my brother. What did you end up streaming, my bro? Yeah, currently sculpting legs. Trying to give him bigger calves than people that train upper body too much. Yo, Fizzo, thanks for gifting us up to Brother Jim. Thank you, my bro. I'll never get used to being in the cold in July. Yeah. I don't mind the cold, but there are days where it does get hard, but you know you just gotta push through. What are you casing today? I'm carving a Tekoteko, a 3-dimensional figure. Thank you, Teague. How long does it usually take to finish the sculpture? On stream, it takes a little bit longer than usual, but it's all good. Off stream, probably like 2 weeks, maybe, for a piece like this. Okay. I'm just checking out what I need to do. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother. I'd take the cold over the heat any day. Yeah, me too. Me too. It's like when we were talking about the heat yesterday and how, all the brothers in the chat, how the old punching bag gets stuck to the leg when it's too hot. And we have to do those big steps to separate. That was a good laugh. Sorry, chat, just trying to tighten this voice up. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. The discreet separation whilst in public as well. Don't lie, we've all done it. Oh my. Not gonna lie, Fanta, I went shopping last night, I saw an eggplant and you popped in my head immediately. And I just giggled. Also, chat, I gotta ask you guys something too. That is truly awful where you stand with your legs a little further apart than it's appropriate to unstick stuff. Big true, brother, big true. Van Damme steps. To go get art supplies and stuff. Oh, true, AD. My bad, bro. When you tried to play it off as stepping over something. We're all ears, bro. Content right here. I'm just stretching, leave me be. It's these ones, eh? You know, when you're in the shopping aisle. I'm gonna reenact it. When you're in the shopping aisle, and then you're walking, and then you just see a lot of people, and then you just go. Give it the old 1-2. And everyone's looking at you like, what the hell's going on here? Wow, this just feels like workplace bro talk. Feeling personally called out here. Or what about the other one? I've seen my cousin do these ones. He's looking up at the shelf and then he goes, oh yeah, I'll just grab that one. It's like, you're out the gate here, even I know what you're doing. That's way too obvious. You've got to be ninja about it, bro. SRM. I just go to LAB. That's the name of the band I'm allowed to play on Twitch. I don't really have a playlist, eh? Take notes, ladies. This is why we men spread so we don't have to ballet every time we get up. Noted. Helgs, thank you for the 5 months, my brother. Imagine just seeing heaps of bros in the aisle, eh? Just heaps of males. Chat boat, oh, just stepping around you. Anyone would think they're waltzing in the shopping aisle. And I need to scratch. Yo, have a good sleep, brother Jim. Thank you very much for the raid, my brother. Have a good sleep, my bro. We are giving secrets away right now. The Blake Johnston, thank you very much for subbing, my man. Much appreciated, brother. I'm not doing the foxtrot, my nuts are stuck into my thigh. An ASMR stream. Oh, I don't know. But at least we have a secret handshake. I'm just cleaning up these legs right here. ASMR would come and go, dear. A while ago for around about $1,000. Yeah, that's usually the normal price for a tyre, huh? Especially when you're using hardwood. It can vary between 8 to about 1,000. Like the one I did on stream was $9.50. Yeah. Do you get a lot of splinters? Nah, not really, brother. Not really. Just checking these legs. Legs are getting colder. I keep it warm. Alright, we're on the right track. Right, I'm getting up for work in 6 hours. Best go to get some sleep. I'll see you guys soon. Much love. Ciao, Rose of Venus. You have a good sleep, brother. What languages do you speak? Just my own in English. And Murloc. Dizzy 4K, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Languages I would like to learn. Korean or Japanese. I'm sorry if I offend someone. Sign is another one too. Spanish, I'd love to learn Spanish. And yeah, there's quite a few. Big love from Denver, Colorado. Cheer, brother. Horsepower Mike. Ooh, horsey. Ooh, knee knocker. You're the Sandman putting everyone to bed. Yeah, instead of sand, it's chicken salt. And the sign language is on my list as well. It's fluent, real. Nice, my bro. Yeah, I've always wanted to learn sign, eh? There's one of my cousins, obviously she can't speak, and I'd like to have a full-on conversation with her in sign. That'd be cool. Because my cousin, her mum usually translates for her for when she wants to talk to me. And she goes, why do you want to learn signs? So I can talk to you. And then she was a bit taken by that, and then I went, so I can feel like Caesar. She goes, she pretty much called me a freaking idiot in sign. I was like, yep. And then I did the apes together strong in front of her. She's just, yeah. I'm sure she wanted to kick me in the head. I'm slowly learning to do. Oh, nice, brother. Now push me. Bro, I'll be keen to, eh? I'll be keen to learn, son. Like I know how to say share. My daughter, who you might have heard on stream, she learned ABC sign from watching The Wiggles. She can hear me, but she just loves The Wiggles. Eh? I know, because I hate listening to them every day. KB, yeah, I watch One Piece. I watch One Piece a lot. I read it as well. Haven't really been watching any My Hero lately because I read it as well. I'm just waiting for what's about to come. I don't want to spoil it, so I'll say that much. PTSD from The Wiggles. A man of culture. One thing I enjoyed about the latest episode was the animations, man. One of my favourite parts from that entire episode was when you see all the samurai boats start charging towards Kaido's island. I love that scene. And also when the Straw Hats put all their cups down and they wait. The Wiggles, there seems like a lot of people in here. There's only so much fruits a man can take. Yeah, so it all started with Coco Melon. Man, I hated the Coco Melon phase, eh? Oh yeah, I've played Ghosts. I platinumed it. I'm still in Coco Melon Purgatory. Yeah, I'm glad she's moved on from Coco Melon and Wiggles. Her latest thing now is Pokemon, thank goodness for me. And Kung Fu Panda and Shrek. I'm so glad I dodged Coco Melon. KB, no, I've never been off my own country, brother. Never. So me and my daughter just started watching Pokemon Journeys on Netflix. I was like, thank goodness. There's only so much sorry excuse me I can watch. Or are we there yet? Yeah, she loves Kung Fu Pandas. Mainly because she thinks Poe is me half the time, or the dad, not the goose, the other one. His actual dad. And she likes to get up and try and pretend to do Kung Fu. Yeah, watched a few episodes. Oh, nice. Yeah, we're only just a few deep. I buzzed out when he got a Dragonite. Dragonite's one of my favourite dragon Pokemon. But yeah, it was pretty buzzy to see him get one. I'm trying to sneak some old school cartoons in as well. Nice! Oh no, I don't need a... I just tell her we're gonna watch cartoons, eh? But thank goodness she likes to watch one that I like. My son was given a random card by a friend at school as his birthday present. Oh, nice! He was stoked. Cool! Yeah, man, I'm looking forward to these new sets, eh? Just talking about Pokemon cards now. There's only a few cards I'm looking for in Evolving Sky. Don't really care too much about the big cards, but I like the Dragonite ones. I think there's a bit of a Dragonite pack that comes out too, so I'll probably get that and open it on stream. And then once I get the chase cards I want from that, I won't get any more till Celebrations. Celebrations is where it's gonna be, man. Greninja. Oh, Greninja's cool though, so I understand. Ash Greninja is something else. I was not expecting that when I first saw it. Let me just yeah, I was not expecting an Ash themed Greninja when it first dropped. I remember when everyone thought Ash was going to win that Pokemon League. And then they were disappointed that he didn't. But it's all good though, he ended up winning the Alolan League, eh? Alolan League? I think one of my favourite Pokemon from all this latest bunch of them, it's probably a Urshifu. He's cool. I like both forms as well. I really need to get back to streaming Pokemon too. I've just got so many games to play right now. And I only just found out that there's a Nintendo Golf. Bro, that's cool. I might actually get it, eh? What do you reckon? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I really wanted Ash to win that. I mean, he had a pretty stacked team, eh? But even now he's got a stacked team, even though he's won a league already. Like, what does he have? Gengar, Dragon Knight. He's got a Riolu. And it seems like in the latest episodes coming up, Charizard and all his older Pokemon are making a return. Which I'm pretty excited for. It's pretty cool to see Gary too. Yeah, I just found out about Mario Golf, eh? And I know you can use the controls to actually putt or hit the ball, so I'd be pretty keen to do that. If he's keen to see, even join. Since we haven't been able to go to the driving range yet, just play golf at home. Hey, what's up, Kirby? Stupid. I might actually see how much it is right now. If I go to town today, I might get it. But then again, I still have to play Breath of the Wild. Maybe I'll just start that off streaming. Let me just check. EBK. Working on the fence today. Oh, nice, brother. What did you want me to get? Mario Kart 2, eh? For the gaming side. Alright, it's looking much better. So we need to take a bit off the top here. Where's my pencil? You play it at all? Oh, I used to, not so much anymore. I see that you can pre-order the Demon Slayer game already. I like to repeat things in chat, but how much later would you be doing gaming streams today? Oh, geez, probably So what's the time now? 11:23. Usually my kids go to sleep at around 9:30. Or the big one does anyway. She's a bit of a stubborn egg when it's bedtime. And then I try and stream like right after cleaning up the lounge. But then again, it all depends on my kids, brother. Because pretty much they come first after I end the stream. I really want to get a hold of Fat Freddy's droppy. Where's my pencil? Baby, yes I do. Yes, baby, Yes, I do. Bow, bow, ditter. Bow, da, bow, ditter. Do you ever stream your chisel sharpening? Oh, I've done it now and again. I'm just using a whetstone, brother. If you're keen to see whetstone sharpening, it takes a long time, but yeah. I just don't want you to get bored. Grinder stream. I'm just waiting for them to restock the grinder and then one gets sent to me straight away. Finlay, I was going to stream it tonight, but mainly because we have Azuli and Tiger run on WoW tonight, so I might just play that. Get some leveling in. I'm also on Faralina as well, looking for people to level with. My character's still pretty fresh, so if you're on Faralina Alliance, hit me up. Oh, chew about the juice holder. It could be a thing. You're just hearing the stone and the steel. June Liu, thank you very much for subbing. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just trying to even up these legs. And I think I may have just done that. I can hear arguing in the distance. If I suddenly start hiding just so I can peek and watch, yeah, be aware. Ooh, that's loud. I think it's coming on our street. Maybe I'll do a grinder stream too. Oh, yes. I hear yelling starting to form into words in the swearing category. I hope they come this way so we can watch. Okay. Your first stream. Welcome, brother. Damn it, down the other street on the other side. Can't ever watch today. Wretched. Here we go. Boom! There it is. Cool. Nice jacket. Thank you, man. Love watching people argue. Hella funny. Yeah. Especially when they're outside your house and the curtain is closed. So you look for that little gap where you can get prime viewage. Gotta get that prime viewage in. I borderline live in the hood anyway, so yeah, we see it a lot. He thinks that we don't see, oh no. Yeah, no, I'm not the best brother, you are. Everyone that's watching us. Jimmy, get up. I don't know what to do. Going back to school on a lonely day. Okay, we might attempt it. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to need the biggest V chisel I have. Happens rarely where I am, but when it does, you know I'm watching the argument. Where you go, enemy number one, walking through the streets alone. Bro, you wouldn't be here without you, Broxh. We're all brought together by your vibes. Thank you, brother. I love being here, like streaming and chilling with everyone that tunes in. Makes it all worth it, and yeah, it's fun. And it's thanks to you guys that I can do this. The day I don't want you playing away. Ooh, shit. Chick cut there so we don't smack this bottom part off. Would you like to join our raft party? Hang on, my daughter wants to show me something. Oi! Oh, cool! Papa Panda! Yeah, that's cool! No, she made herself a panda mask. How's my stream going? So because we ain't letting her go to school with the this virus going around, they actually had a case at her school as well. She's doing a bit of arts and crafts inside. She looked very proud of her panda mask too. Prodigy has returned. Not a panda and Kung Fu Panda. I like the Pandaren, they're cool. OG playable race by our Samwise back in Warcraft 3 because of Chen Stormstout. He's still one of my favourite characters as well. Him, Rexar, the OG crew. Yeah, that's probably one of my most favourite specs in WoW is Brewmaster, but I can't play one there. I'm not good at tank. That spec always has a very special plate space in me WoW heart. Here's the puke breath. That's flame breath. That's Uncle Iroh flame style. Okay, so we're just gonna try and separate the legs at the moment. So we'll start doing that. I'll put it up a bit. So one of the emotes is actually it's even though pandas can't be paladins, it was more dedicated to the bro panda TV. Oh, wrong way, chisel. So it's just a panda holding Ashbringer. I have a monk, but he's an orc instead. I might transfer him over to Illidan. Let me take you home and we'll fly higher. Higher. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Hi man, what's new? Ah, me undies, mate. In a world that your love has gone away, there ain't no use. We should make a Broxh guild. Yeah, I used to play Horde on Bartholus on retail, but the Horde scene here is not really that good. So it's an Alliance heavy region, OCE. So I transferred over to Illidan. Touchpad's there, Mez is there. I hopefully have some games in them soon, and Max is there too. What's your KFC order? I usually like to get a wicked meal, mainly because you get wicked wings as well, and normal recipe chicken along with like chips and gravy. Thank you very much, Anonymous Cheerer, for the bits. I would love to know your actual Twitch name, so I can say thank you properly. But I will say thank you nonetheless. Thank you very much. This is going to take a while, this one. My little mate looked very proud of her mask too. Yeah, so normally she doesn't stay home during the day, so that's hence the reason why the day streams are a little bit shorter, but because I don't want to leave Mrs. Broxh with the kids on her own too much, because they can be a handful. Hey, cheers, Spanky. Oh, yeah, Ninja they were about earlier. I wonder if this one has any space in Crusade. He invited me a long time ago, but I don't know, maybe they're full now. Let's get these feet done, mate. Is your ally character max level yet? Is this for Faralina? Oh, I'm guessing it is because it's fun. Nah, I've been trying to play it, but yeah, it sucks playing by myself on a new character. So I just go back to my horde ones. I think I'm like, nah, I'm way off. Far from it. I do not speak Spanish, Thais. Sorry. I'll forgive that since Horde is better. You might see my face on something next week. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I just did the video for it last night before stream. Little something too. Oh damn! I can hear the baby crying. Little something about me is oh damn, a hair flick. Okay, I actually my first character was a human paladin back on Southbank. Let me just go get a water and then we'll do this hair flick. Alright, chat. Hair flicks on. Hair flicks on. Hair flicks on. Hey, Coca-Cola. Thank you very much for the raid. Here we go. Thank you very much for the raid, man. Oh, sorry, just kicked the bloody tripod. Yep, this is my hair. It's actually my bed here. I haven't even brushed it. There we go. Let's get these hair flicks in for Kiki the Old. Hey, old man Kiki changed his name too. Here we go, brother. This is for you. There we go. 3 warm-up ones. Here we go, brother. Oh, damn. Been a while. Stray, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Sounds for you, my boy. There you go, brother. Whew. What's the time? Okay. Singing everybody. Woo. I'm gonna leave my beanie off for now, just to let my hair breathe. So we will get back to these legs. It's captivating as heck. Hey, chill my bro. Next month, yeah, all good, my bro. Wicked wings on. We were just talking about KFC too. Everybody. All over me. Hey, yeah. Let you get when the music hits your chest. Singing everybody. Hey Maverick, thank you very much for subbing, brother. How are you today anyway, my bro? Cheers once again, brother Maverick. I was wondering what kind of wood you wood carving you do. So I do traditional Māori wood carving. Real ginger Jesus. Holy damn. Thank you very much for the 5 months, brother. The stream is bloody sponsored by KFC at this point. Does having the shadows from the sun make it a bit harder to work? No, not really. True, by the way, brother Charles. Not really, brother. So I'm just gonna cut down as far as I can, and then obviously we have to go that way. Take my head and run with me. Sometimes, baby. What tree is this made from? Normal Andy pine. It was free, so that's why I'm using it. I feel like this is gonna break, eh? Oh no, no, oh, 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 oh. Take my hand, like the earth. Show me what is real. Oi. Moment chat. Hello Judah. Cheer my bro. How's your Chris Jericho book, my bro?
Nobody can control this feeling. Like the earth, show me what is real.
Super glue. Hold on, chat. I just want to fill this up. This end grain is getting its ass kicked by the sun at the moment, so I don't want to take any risks. Almost done. Cool. That's that. Second book I've ever brought. Oh, nice, brother. I'm on my first day. And life. The ancient method of the super glue. What playlist do you use? Can I have the link? I think there's one. I'm not sure, but it's LAB on Spotify. Take my hand. Karaoke stream, man, if I was allowed to, I honestly would have. Are you on lunch break today, Fanta, or are you just chilling? On your marks, get set, and away we go. On your marks, get set. So, if anyone's new here, what we're currently doing is the legs. Wouldn't be surprised if he's already new. But just explaining what we're doing right now is trying to cut through to the back, just so we can get the timber out between the legs and obviously start shaping those. So from what I can see, we could even cut back the stomach a bit more, but we'll leave it round for now. Hey Kith, what's up, brother? I have to stop and stretch. Oh yeah. Play Mario Golf on Switch yet? Nah bro, I just found out about it today. I could be keen, eh? I could be keen. We're going to town soon, so I might go and have a look. Bloody hell, Prawn. Chur brother hardcore Prawn, how are you, my bro? Yeah, Mrs. Broxh will have a blast. You know, if you play the game, do you have to use both the controller parts, or can you both have one to swing? Surely. Because I've got a controller strictly for like Smash and all that, but then there's those two, the motion ones. Yeah, sometimes my daughter asks me to play Pokemon Snap on the TV because she likes seeing it. Day off work, just vibing. Oh, nice, Prawn. Yeah, brother, I'm good. Just trying to get some work done. At the moment, we're smashing out the piece between the legs. Oh, cool, you can swing off one. Oh, cool. So you can pretty much play two-player off the get-go? Or from the get-go? Because if so, I'm going to get it. So I can waste it on the green as well, instead of on the putt-putt. $20 games against a decent CPU. Ah, damn. True, bruv, do a lot of maraes have the same story with their carvings? Oh, it depends if there's the same ancestor in there, then I would say so. Like for instance, my tātua back where I'm from in Tahuna, Tekoteko is in there, who's an ancestor here. And he's obviously in a meeting houses galore here. So it'll all depend if they're the same ancestor. Like Lionel Grant's whare ihinga, he has two hoi in there. But he has multiple different ancestors from different tribes in that one meeting house. Could have been a hononga that was made between the one particular ancestor to the tribe, you never know. Oh, bro, go for it, Prawn. Should have seen me last time on Valorant. I was getting bloody destroyed. Had one little funny moment with Astra though. Oh, I hear my daughter crying. Let me go and see what's going on. Alright, she's all good. She's all good. She's just getting feelings because she's not allowed to watch Kung Fu Panda for the third time. Alright. Back to these legs. Cheers, parcel. Like the Bourangi Te Aorere. Yeah, good example. Have you been to the meeting house and Tongoio? Nah, I haven't, brother. I don't even know where that is, my bro. Aroha mai. I'd catch feelings over that. Thank you, Destroy Him, for the 100 bits, brother. Thank you. I've been wanting to get in contact with I think Thunder's busy though. I was gonna hit him up to see if he could draw me a starting soon screen. Since my I was just gonna do me and my kids in a cartoon form. Since they've all chosen their Pokemon. Just us three, yeah, sitting on whatever we're sitting on, and obviously I'd have a Blastoise by now because I'm old, because I chose Squirtle when I was young. And the one you saw running around was she chose Bulbasaur, so she'll probably have an Ivysaur, and my youngest will have Charmander. De Vega, thank you very much for the Prime, my bro. I was just gonna do just one strictly of me, but as a Roronoa but with iconic WoW weapons. With my 100 Thieves jersey on and I Heart Jet on my arm. Just like references from some of the games I play. And Jack Sparrow's compass, maybe, something like that. Hello from UA. Oh, in Hawke's Bay. My partner's done the carvings and it looks amazing. Like your work. Oh, his work's probably way better, my brother. This should check it out if you come this way. Yeah, definitely, my bro. Usually when I go travel somewhere, I go and look for carvings there. If it's won't really waltz in unless I've been there before. It's the hardest part of being a dad, Broxh. I mean, all of it. From raising the child, from teaching the right way, you know. But it's not just the child that learns things, it's you learn stuff from your child as well. To represent how old you are in comparison. I was gonna do a scarred up Blastoise because all the scars on my face. Yeah, I'll see what if he's not busy though. I still gotta get some new emotes. I had sitting in my cupboard, I could buy a Ferrari. Yo! Only worth 5k. Oh, damn. Bro, that's still cool though. Like, this shop that I seen, they have like, I don't know, it must have been a collector or someone. Gave them a lot of his old stock cards. And I saw this Arcanine card in there. It looked like it wasn't a first edition, but it looks so cool, but then the back is damaged and I kind of didn't want it. I've always wanted an old school card, whether it be a first edition or just a base set. Thank you, Canal. I hope I said that right. You have a good day too. If you're going right now, I hope I said this right. Au revoir. By the way, looks like you're carving his foot. No, she never wants a carving, no. She's got me. She doesn't need any. she's got me. She don't need it. She got the carving, dude. My buddy has been collecting fishing cards since childhood. There, it's holy damn. Good on your bro. That's so cool, brother. Yeah, I remember as a kid, like I saw the first edition boxes there, but I couldn't get any because I obviously didn't have enough, and I bought a pie instead. Do I regret it? Not one bit. This is for a client. I got a hollow Charizard from the first year's, almost got it free from the op shop, sold it for $30 2 years ago because it was torn. Some smart ass took a pen to it. Oh, what an absolute dick. Can someone pull the tickets off this guy? He's literally only missing 4 cards. Damn! Of my original 91 Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Ah, see, I wish I held on to mine, I had some really old basketball cards too when I was young. But I had them in my room because I had to move. I moved away from my grandmother's house, and I went back to go get the rest of my stuff, and I was like, "Man, where's all my stuff?" She went, "Oh, I threw it all in the fire because I didn't think you were coming back." I was like, "Rats." I remember seeing multiple MJ cards in there. What's his name from the Celtics? And he's got the most rings. Jeez, what's his name? I can't remember his name. Damn it. But there was like a whole Chicago Bulls roster. My cousin gave them to me because, yeah, she threw them in the fire. I was like, fuck. Yeah, Bill Russell. Yeah, I remember seeing a lot of Bill Russell cards in there, and they were shiny too. It was like a nice wooden box that he made, and he put them all in there. Ah, ratchet. I wish I still had them. I remember seeing a Michael Jordan rookie card in there. And yeah, there was a Bill Russell one. I remember seeing Bill Russell quite a lot in my head. Yeah, Peter, they're getting pretty nutty, eh? Alright. Still not deep enough, so still gotta go down a bit more. Granny woke up and chose violence that day. He was going, "Nan, you burned my cards." And I go, "Oh, sorry, I didn't think you'd be coming back." It's like, "Are you serious?" Of course I'll come back to see my own grandmother. He goes, "Oh, stuff was just filling up my house, so yeah, I threw most of it out." I was like, "Oh, my halo." My need for speed too. Yeah, hater. Yeah, I seen that too. What's his name? Miskiv. Man, he's got a lot of old school games that are still in their boxes, and he's sealed them up, and his room's pretty much worth a lot of money from what S-Fun and them were saying. Sold them on eBay. Imagine that, eh? Like, I go to my nan's house and I see a box and there's like PSA or Beckett black marker or whatever the hell their top one is, and then just stacks and stacks of them. Hey, brother Midas. Hope you're well, my brother. Sending blessings to you and your family. Cheer, my brother. Good to see you, my bro. Much appreciated for the 7, and even better to see you again, brother. Hope you're well. Yeah, he's one of those crazy collectors, eh? I legit think that's cool, though. Do you watch UFC, Broxh? If so, who do you think's gonna win? Adesanya. Ran out of acrylic and transfer paper. Oh, nice, brother. Got your DM too, so I'll probably be sending a bit more than that, to be honest. Hold up. All alone, and you feel it far away. Doko, thank you very much for the 2 months, my bro. I am brilliant, thank you, brother. Yo, good to hear, my brother. Good to see you again, my bro. Granny's wearing the PS18 Charizard around her neck. Imagine that, eh? Engraved into her dentures. Hello from Lebanon. Hey, Blade 3. With the burning heat, a revelation takes you through the dark. Feel like you got nowhere to go. In your peace of mind, singing, ain't nobody gotta know no more. Thank you, Blade 3. Cheers, brother. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. I'm gonna let you get you through the night. Yeah, like even with the Pokemon TCG celebrations box, I'm gonna try my hardest to get a Blastoise without buying too much of it. I don't want to be that guy and buy too much. Just because they look like the old school Blastoise cards with a golden border and a 25 on it. That's the one thing I wish I could find was my box of old Pokemon cards. Yeah, bro. I wish you didn't throw them away. The basketball cards. Apparently it was the orange one. It'd be worth a crap ton. Oh, really? True. Do you have any prize collection of cards or any kind? If so, Peter, yeah, I do have some. I can go and get them. I'm not really buying, like, I didn't really get cards to, like, resell. I just like the ones I thought look cool, eh? I'll go and get them. I'll show you guys what I have. So I put them in a loader and then I sealed them again. So this, I don't really have much, but these are some of my favorites. So yeah, I like this Roku card. So I got that, Rillaboom, which we pulled on stream a while ago. Rapid Strike Urshifu. And the Empoleon, I think that's the alternate RD. I like that card. Can you see them? Let me know. Hey, what's up, Sword? And then we got Urshifu Single Strike, so if you can tell, yeah, he's one of my favorites from the new generation. And then Urshifu alternate art as well. Single Strike. And then Urshifu alternate art Rapid Strike. And yeah, we got the shiny Charizard. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of Charizard as much as others are, but we pulled it anyway. That centering is way off as well. But yeah, that's him there. And Rainbow Rare Blaziken from is it the Chur one? I just buy a sneaky pack now and again. And here's one of my favourite cards here, the Gold Dragonite. So we got that, and on the other side is yeah, Lugia. Ended up pulling that from an old pack. I think AD will like seeing this one. So you can see that. And, well, the last one ain't a Pokemon, it's yeah, Digimon. I just wanted an Agunimon card. Agunimon's one of my favourites, and yeah. Dono from Kimmel. 8.5. Shush. Okay, let me just check this. But yeah, that's some of my favourite cards here. I knew you were gonna say that. Yo, thank you for the $5, Kimmel. Thank you, brother. Yeah, this one there. I'll show them once again. So, obviously, Digimon. Dragonite. I like this card here. And then, yeah, the Lugia card. It's not first edition, but it's still a pretty cool Lugia card that I pulled. And then we have the shiny Rainbow Rare Blaziken from Chilling Reign. Alternate art Empoleon. And The Rapid Striker Urshifu. I'm just going through them one more time. I trade my left kidney for their Blaziken. No, you need those so you can piss well. And yeah, the shiny Rillaboom. I ran out of top loaders for this one, but it's all good. Pulled it on stream. I like his old shiny variant, hey? And Raikou. Let's see what. So yeah, as you can tell, these are two of my favourite cards as well. I like Urshifu, he's a cool Pokemon. Either stance, to be honest. And yeah, just a different one. And then the shiny Dragon Boy. Yeah, I'm just trying to be cool in the sun. So yeah, I'll just put these back now and then get back to some more leg action. Alright. So that was just some cards that I had. Might be my only working kidney, but god damn it, brother. I think I'm a boomer. Oh, that's all good, brother. First generation is definitely one of my favorites. Hey, what's up, Bella? Oh, don't worry. Just come and chill and watch with us. A little bit of lab. Yeah, my bro. AD. Okay. In the shadow. What's our time? Okay. Yeah, Mrs. Broxh says, can we get sushi for lunch? I was like, ooh, flirt with me more. So it looks like we're having sushi for lunch. I was just gonna fast, but yeah, all good. Oh, thanks, Charlie. Speaking my language. Oh, I love sushi. Might even be a rebel and get some miso. Why fast when you can have sushi? In the shadow. Feel like I've got a considerable depth going on. I'll just use a scoop just in case. I'm trying to go to bed early. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I've been trying to go to bed early too. But nope. I've been going to bed like 4 o'clock lately, just because with baby, with my youngest being not so very well with not adjusting well to winter, so it's cuddle bear Broxh for till then. Wanted to start it. Oh yeah. Shit, not only did he pronounce my name correctly. Oh, did I? Yo, let's go. Hey, brother Sturdy with the all the legs 11, my bro. As a bloody tier 3. Goddamn, brother. Man, I did not play this song specifically because you just subbed to set the mood, but thank you very much for the 11 months supporting a tier 3, my brother. Goddamn. I will spank some leather and think about you today, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. See if he's got a hold of you lately. Yeah, so usually when I finish stream, if my daughter wakes up, then I pretty much just hold her through the night and just stay up. Just so she gets a decent sleep, and Mrs. Broxh gets a decent sleep too. And then I'll go to sleep at once Mrs. Broxh feels rested up. Yeah, I think that's enough depth on the league. We could be good. Or we should be good, I should say. Now I'm pulling all my damn Pokemon cards out. Okay, you know what to do. You bloody take some photos and you put them in the Discord, my bro. Do we have to make a TCG area? Also, if my family does head out for the weekend, we'll watch One Piece Stampede in the Discord. Ah, cheer, brother, sturdy. Yeah, met some pretty talented people here too. You including. Bro, because of you I started watching TikToks of people working with leather. You know, but have you got that I don't know what it is, a knife, but it looks like a little chisel. And they cut like the outside of the leather. Bro, and they're like so precisely. Might have to be made. Okay. Wonder if I can make it now.
Please believe me, my heart's on cold. Ooh, I wonder if there's a change.
Call it the
When you call
TCG
me. Yes, I
Man Cave.
for heaven's sake.
It's up, my bro. So it's the TCG Man Cave. Feel free to chuck all your fellas' cards in there.
Are you alone?
Thank you, Amigu Natus, for the sub, my brother. So the Discord is just above you, AD.
Right now. Ooh, I wonder, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hopefully, Discord doesn't, or let me, or will let us watch it, because I hear they can block you from watching movies now. Oh, AD, thank you for gifting a sub to Charlie. Waiting for the finishing touches. Yeah, Peter, we will definitely get there, brother. Oh yeah, skiving knife. Just got a nice handsome one recently. Oh, nice, brother. I just found a stack of my old Pokemon cards in my parents last weekend. I'll have to throw them in the Discord. Yeah, brother, TCG Man Cave, if you have any cards, feel free to chuck them in there. I couldn't come up with a cool name, so I just, yeah, TCG Man Cave. Can show you how to get a working D. Oh yeah, I'll have to use my Elgato capture card to chuck the PlayStation up. Yeah. Family dependent though, but I do hope we have a free weekend, because I might be on Trainwreck's podcast this weekend. Thank you, Dark QTR, for the sub, my bro.
Oh, I can feel the attitude. It's got a woman in the room. She couldn't really understand it. Taking hold of everything to be over with the diary.
Yo, thank you, Anonymous, for the 300 bits. So we don't have to mod it.
And I know he took it away.
So I think that's a good enough depth here, and what we'll need to do is cut through the back. What's the time now? Okay. So we might do a bit of cutting just behind the legs here for now, and then I got a sushi date. Hello, Hamada. What's the matter, Eboba?
You gotta make me for the no. Oh, I know.
Yeah, I'm dipping out anyways. It's burning time. I'm the fire starter. What's up, big guy? Enjoy the sushi. Chill, my bro. Have a good one, and try not to spend too much on the crotch area. Sushi, KFC for me tomorrow. I swear, if I'm home alone, I will get KFC and eat it in front of you guys. Because you keep tempting me. It's already done.
With the curfew, and I know he took it away.
Good old scoop. Astronomy, thank you very much for subbing, my bro. Hey, what's up, brother Appendix? But how do you put your sugar? Yeah, I've just put it on the Weet-Bix and let the milk drown it off. But the real question is, how much Weet-Bix do you have? When I was young, I used to have 14. I'll answer some more Instagram questions later today. Thank you, Anonymous, for the 300 bits as well. Would love to know your proper name. Or Twitch name, not your proper name, because, you know, privacy. But thank you very much. Greetings from brother. Hola, brother. What's up, man? Okay, I think that's the Lab album done. I'd eat 2 and call it a day. Hotel room, good time. Hey, hey. What's up, Captain Colo Rico? Yeah, yeah.
Blow my line up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hard to control myself.
Just uploaded my collection. Okay, I gotta have a look. Sorry, chat. Oh, I see a Charizard in there. Oh, whoa, this guy. Holy damn, you the sexy. Ooh, look at that Blastoise. Quite the collection you have there, my bro. Damn, you're the sexy. He has a move, yeah. Damn right you though. Sorry, I want to carry on looking. I was gonna just carry on. I was gonna carry on carving, but I just want to have another. Yeah, that right. You look sick, man. You got a shiny Volcanion. Gyarados. What's the Suicune from? I can't make out the name. The surfing Pikachu. Man's got a gold flexing Machamp. Okay, dude. Damn, brother. That is a sexy collection you have there, my friend. Okay. I'm gonna carry on carving for a bit. Then I'm gonna check my Pokemon Go. I should really send some gifts to Fanta. I try and send gifts out as much as I can and receive them, or like open them, sorry, but there's so many. It's like as hard as replying to like DMs. And the Discord gold.
Hey, you know that we fucked this up, right? Like we French class. I was down to marry, raise a family, right? I was lining up to be the last one in your line with your time. Even now I trip short.
Love is blind.
Look at you, having made with that bad old 42. Just a two of a city, but without the bad boy. Yeah, I was just a boy, and the sun was mad toys, having fallen me.
Oh, flat. Oh, yeah, I'm almost there. Has anyone else seen those airdrop crates? Or is it airdrop crates? I'm gonna have a look now. Oh, there was a pre-open, so I'm gonna close it and reopen it. Airdrop crates. Morning from the UK. Morning, brother Carlos. There's a torture here. I need to see what other starters I need to catch. Oh, I've got data too, so I can go actually play Pokemon Go without staying home. Oh, there's no good raids around me. White crates on a balloon. Oh. Sorry, just checking my... I need to feed my... what is it? Yeah, sorry, I just feed this. I want to try and get a full stack on a buddy. I haven't got one yet. Because I'm a constantly changing Andy. Golden round, so I don't have to dick around with that. Sorry guys, just feeding my Pokemon. Doesn't seem like their Pokemon's out today, so we put them away. Such a serious little shit, eh? What a mad guy. Also, just if anyone asks, I better just show it anyway. There's the code if you want to add me. Yeah, I've been playing Pokemon Go since release. Yeah. Really on and off though. I reckon if I can play it consistently, then yeah. Mine is a 3000 YouTube. Damn, I gotta go back in. I don't even know if I do have a 3000, eh? Oh yeah, no, I don't. But I got a... Here's my collection here. So yeah. They got Tyranitar 2018. I've got a lot of ground types, eh? Bush feet. We caught them a few days ago. Yeah, nothing too impressive. I'll show you the shinies I have too. I don't have as much as Ryan though. I used to go hard on the community days, but now once I catch one I just turn it off. So I got Shiny, Tyranitar, Gyarados, Garchomp, Metagross, Venusaur, Charizard. I caught this one randomly, Executor. I was actually dodging a meeting to go for, hypothetically going to the toilet, and then I clicked on this guy and caught him. Yeah, so I'll just carry on through. Should be almost done. Got the Onyx. I caught this in Tauranga. It was from a raid, that yellow one. Pikachu, Pizza. Surely I'm nearing the end. Steelix. It's amazing how a barrel goes from being green to yellow. Oh yeah, that's all. Those are the only shinies I have. Yeah, I still walk places just when I've got data. Usually when, it used to be when I used to walk my daughter to school, she'd ask if she could play pogo with me. Love is blind. Alright. What song is this? 1,000 Times by Kings.
Might have lost you. It's like all the fake apologies and loves we took before. Come back for you. For me too.
Hold up. There you go, clean it up. Surely I'm over the halfway mark so I can dig down again. What's your favourite brand of pie? Irvine's. If I'm feeling really hungry, I'll go for the maki too because it's thicker and it has more contents inside the pie, so thus making you fuller. Now the maki two pies I usually go for is the smoked fish pie because there's quite a lot of fish and it's quite yum. And the butter chicken pie as well, which is quite nice. Steak and cheese is okay. But for Irvine's, I would say the all-time god tier Irvine pie for myself would have to be the bacon unique. Yeah. Charlie Coates, thank you very much for the bit, brother. And Wolfie, thank you. Oh, Wolfly, thank you very much for the sub, man, for the prime. See if they stream again. Might be streaming well tonight because we got a ZG run tonight for Tiger. And y'all know I want that Tiger. Brother man, need that Tiger. I respect it. I have eaten many pies in my life, and thus finding which ones I like. This is awesome. Thank you, brother. Just trying to get some depth on this section at the moment, brother. But welcome. You sell your work? Yes, I do, but more or less as a commission. I really want to start Fanta's piece soon. So try to get some of the backboard off. Can I donate? I don't know. I mean, you can just chill here. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? How's well game, brother? Haven't been jamming it in a while. I have been playing it off stream, but slowly leveling on BC, and I've been getting back into retail as well. I just need to juggle what games I'm gonna play at the moment because I'm enjoying so much games. Really enjoy Sea of Thieves. I added that to my gaming library that I will stream specifically on the gaming side. Pie technology getting crazy since 2008. Bro, you should see the boil-up pie. I don't know about it. I'm on the fence about it. If you want to check out some pie creations, brother, go through and follow the bro Timprovise. He does bakery runs. He goes to bakeries all around New Zealand. Now he's come across a spaghetti bolognese pie. What else has he come across? I think it was a possum pie. Yo, Thunders, thank you very much for the 2 months. Mine's got creases. I just found my promo Black Star Mewtwo from the Mewtwo Strikes Back movie PS18's going for 700. God damn, brother. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Jeez, my daughter's getting hungry. And she won't eat anything but sushi. God damn it. Center of attention. She's usually noodle gang, but looks like she wants sushi like her dad today. One moment, Chad. And I'll be right back. Oh, here comes the rubbish truck. She's going to be excited about that. Alright, Chet. Well, it looks like she knows what she wants. Yeah, bro. Straight up. Okay, Chet. I'm gonna have to finish the carving stream here. Sorry, I can't go much longer. I was actually feeling it today too. But yeah. My daughter's starting to get fussy with her eating. I don't like that. Not bad. We got legs coming through now. There we go. So I'm going to have to finish up for now, chat. Now if we have free time tonight, you know I'm going live. Did you enjoy today's stream? Man, I really enjoyed the TCG talk today. I'll upload mine even though it's not that impressive. Oh, he's online. I've been wanting to raid him for ages. See you, man. Add me on Pokemon Go. Yeah, you'll have to send your codes through. I think there's a Pogo section. I just want to see how long he's on for. Okay, guys. Someone I really enjoy in terms of Gregus on League of Legends. I'm gonna raid the brother. I've been a fan of this guy for a while since I found out how he plays Gregus. Now it's not Panunu. Ski, I'm not even live. I'm gonna send you to someone who I kind of fanboyed over when he followed me live. So please go and share some love to the brother. I will reveal him very soon. Okay guys, yep, it's time to put my dead cape on now. But thank you very much for chilling with me today, Whanau. I'm going to raid Woody Fruity today. He's hands down my favourite Gregis main on League of Legends. Now I try to play Gregis like him, but I usually get slapped, so we'll leave it there. But thank you very much for today, Fanta. I appreciate you guys spending your time with me as always. And if we have time tonight, we are gaming. We'll get this Zulian Tiger run in tonight. I really hope I get it. Stream alert, RNGesus, please. WoW gods, Blizzard employees that may be watching, give it to this guy. Chur Whanau. I'll see you later, and until next time, see you later.